Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Afrina Haudia Pratiwi and today I will talk about educational inequality in rural areas. I would like to begin with a question. Imagine two students who have the same dreams, the same intelligence and the same determination to be successful. One student lives in a city with modern schools, libraries, qualified teachers, and reliable internet access. The other lives in a rural area where educational facilities are limited, teachers are scarce, and internet access is unreliable. Do these two students truly have the same opportunity to achieve their dreams? Unfortunately, the answer is often no. Education is a fundamental human right and one of the most powerful tools for improving people's lives. Through education, individuals gain knowledge, develop skills, and create opportunities for a better future. However, not all students have equal access to quality education. In many countries, including Indonesia, educational inequality remains a serious challenge, especially in rural areas. Students living in remote communities often face obstacles that make it more difficult for them to succeed academically. Today, I would like to discuss three major causes of educational inequality in rural areas: limited educational resources, and unequal access to qualified teachers, and the digital divide. I will also explain why solving this issue is important for the future of society. Although education is a basic right for every child, students in rural areas often face significant disadvantage due to limited resources, unequal access to qualified teachers, and technological barriers, making educational inequality an urgent issue that requires collective action. The first challenge is the lack of educational resources. Many schools in rural areas operate with limited facilities compared to schools in urban regions. Some schools lack proper classrooms, libraries, laboratories, textbooks, and other learning materials. In certain remote communities, students must travel long distance every day just to attend school. Imagine trying to study science without laboratory equipment or learning literature without sufficient books. These limitations make learning more difficult and reduce students' opportunities to develop their full potential. Meanwhile, students in urban schools often have access to modern facilities that support learning and academic achievement. As a result, a gap begins to form between students based not on their abilities but simply on where they live. Educational success should never depend on a child's geographical location. Every student deserves access to the resources needed for effective learning. The second challenge is the unequal distribution of qualified teachers. Teachers play a crucial role in students' academic success. They guide learning, motivate students, and help develop important skills for the future. However, many rural schools experience shortage of experienced and specialist teachers. In some rural schools, one teacher may teach several subjects or multiple grade levels at the same time. This situation places additional pressures on educators and may reduce the quality of instruction students receive. Several factors contribute to this problem: remote location, limited infrastructure, and fewer professional development opportunities often make rural areas less attractive for teachers. As a result, students in rural communities may not receive the same educational support as students in urban schools. This inequality can affect academic achievement, access to higher education, and future career opportunities. Every child deserves access to skilled and dedicated teachers regardless of where they live. And then the third challenge is digital divide. Technology has transformed education by providing access to online learning platforms, digital libraries, and educational applications. However, these benefits are not available equally to all students. Many rural areas still struggle with poor internet connectivity and limited access to digital devices. This issue became especially visible during the COVID-19 pandemic. While many students in cities were able to continue learning online, many students in rural communities face difficulties because they lack internet access, computers, smartphones, or stable electricity. As education becomes increasingly connected to technology, unequal access to digital resources creates another layer of educational inequality. Students who cannot access online learning opportunities may fall behind academically through no fault of their own. Closing the digital divide is essential if we want every student to participate fully in modern education. Fortunately, educational inequality is not impossible to overcome. Governments can invest more in rural schools by improving facilities, providing learning materials, and expanding internet infrastructure. Teacher incentive programs can encourage qualified educators who work in remote areas. Communities, universities, and non-governmental organizations can also contribute through scholarships, educational programs, and voluntary initiatives. More importantly, society must recognize that equal education opportunities benefit everyone. When all children receive quality education, communities become stronger and nations become more prosperous. In conclusion, educational inequality in rural areas remains a significant challenge. Limited educational resources, unequal access to qualified teachers, and technological barriers continue to prevent many students from receiving the quality education they deserve. However, education should never depend on where a child is born or where they live. Every child deserves an equal opportunity to learn, grow, and achieve their dreams. When we invest in rural education, we are investing in future teachers, doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs, and leaders. We are investing in human potential. So, I would like to leave you with one final question. If education is truly a right for every child, are we doing enough to ensure that every child has an equal chance to succeed? Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.